Kama inti jera Oloo TV and kine makare ma india nchino mar Kuku mar Wach ka bendi wadhi nyime kod rango ikruok mar yiero ma waganda bro dhi mana kwa ochopo dwe manyien masaniri en mana odiochienge machuok kende kaeto wadhi e odiochieng mar yiero. Rwaki studio. Moso ganda wa mondi nyisgi nyingi kaachiel kod chung mari kisiasa saniri nikech ang'eni in achiel kuom jomochung'.
Ilongan Tom W.O.Nduku kata Nduku Thomas.
Yes.
Anje chung no Ugunja. Rang'eny mar ng'ano mochung' ni Ugunja. Ngeche ni kisungu luongo ni independent candidate. Yes.
So ichung independent candidate.
Yes.
Ugunja. Mano kom mar Ugunja. Mano ema joluo luongo ni achung' kenda.
No, joma passive, joma dwaro duoko wachien ema wacho na chung' kenda. To kine ka joluo to gin joma nige chai all the time. They always think joma gintie ne kama ber. They don't think an alternative bedenga kama ber. Koro gin gineno gana ne achung' no koro kagi wuoyo marach on the negative. To giwen mano koro gi golo kura moro kuom. Magigolo kura moro kuom. In fact, the constitution worldwide, ngamochung kende ngama is highly respected. Nikije and ngatma or stand on his values and is only answerable in the constituency mchungi. Yes. Gejengara kan national government gan agenda, he will be tickling in what is helpful to the constituency matter. Oko within the party dwaro. You see. Tinyeni yomi Kenya ko so bedo kaido services. Ni sama bill morobiro. So they are called in as a party.
Yeah.
And when the parties mean no saniwe marachi, you leave after election. If Kawane make the majority in parliament, they will be kneeling down to us. Maybe Samina no makorobo jomokuwe marachi. Wawe constituents will make their decision.
Udburo chulo kuo.
Wakwa chulo kuo. But
kage wacho no rema uganda wacho ni jo independent ye kicha nigi ichwa ngoro.
No,
okay gidonji.
Okay nichwa. But you see kaji odi tugo. Nyale underrate jo wedu. Nini we okaka kori winjo. We are not ngadoka kana na onge problem kaja komo the Nyanza kata Siaya. To wacho no dwaro no go jodi. But I have a problem when he's perceiving no one on Joma Okoni Ubenichu. Then there was no need. Makatopene no action kanu give power. Igeni gigi waberu joma fair to one another. Yeah. When we came with the description, igeni ngama no participate igini malo jomoko. Everybody came in at his own time.
To watch Kenny Maber ne kadiponi jo dependent or make a bigger number modonjo. These political parties will be kneeling down.
No, give her here. Get you be the law for matter gimenya kwa wachi. Give her here.
Koro itamuri wachi.
No, give her here.
Give her here.
Yes, niketi okeneka ene na udasani. A motion yalo beti bunge maber kabisa. To because the political leadership ma hotel okanyo kunene kaka motion maber. Ibro nuanka iketo gi piny mondo gwokore. Kaminyalo nuange ka jo Kenya goye kura gadier.
Yes.
I parliament en chieng migoyo kura mamsara. Gima konyo gi giwegi. They will always vote. Ma okanyo kinini opposition to kinini the ruling party.
Kanyo gi riwre. Maiso negi dech gi gima dhie.
Yes. Koro kineka sama jo independent bro beti. They will be looking at values. Kaka sani people are saying no president will fail, governors will fail. We are not asking into members of parliament to not him. Yes.
We will correct.
Yes. Gine manune obenigiri the government. Gine part of the problem. Magejo mommy everything that could help this country move on. The president is somebody who can be put into account. When did they ever call even the president to the house? Now we want you to be answerable. Karabang president announcing those names.
Yes.
They never called the heads of institutions. We give it now. These names were named. What have you guys done? And if there is no evidence, there was no check and balance. So Gigiwarangu now institutions in fail. Nyoro, I'm happy. Kanyoro speaker Maoma Bay Wachane, he was like in a holiday. County member Moromanya local motion Moroma Magenya Luwe. I think we are in a learning process. Moroma Kapur Nato Nyaloga Digo no I don't know year your party and I don't know.
Tipane same wacho ni ka gidhi od bura to onge gima emotion maginyalo kelo mondo bed debated mondo mi owuoyo wachi en koso ng'eyo koso en mana laxity ni ka ng'ato sedonyo to wil gi
no en koso ng'eyo because you see ing'eni gimonego bedi no adwa loso rules maonge punishment iwinja
yes
ing'ena be no waloso we are still a young country growing on a democratic process to kwayo dhano ken gima yot dhani kwaya na chik no nego kiti no bwana ka gini okotimore then chikoloru no now you cannot run for election and it has to be effected. I'm glad on certain decisions my courts will make a very firm decisions like when IBC luakelu tugukai Wach presidential results. The court made a decision. We need our institutions to wake up. Yes.
Te parona de mana kidwa ka kanyo ero chake parona wach maber wach mane do ngado ni koro duoko mar jatend piny wacho kako landa constituency level kaka ene paro ni mano ero what does it mean
to me and no bad because our Jomap are the main players are happy with it but to me I still see a problem because until now ingek maracha wanjo Kenya ne samogo frimbi to awe mpira nurumu kawuono. We are not seeing no tomorrow king Mayuagi.
Yeah.
Gimone go penjere now. KPMG benegi meet the threshold manwa yerani. Kusema podi wacho ni interrogation of registering is complicated mantijo matho mabone. What are we going to do about it?
Good.
There is a mix up of a certain name that you can find one name in Nairobi, another name in Nakuru, the same name in Nakuru, the same name in another area. What did these people really do? So that our parliament, we have in parliament Mazanian functional until the 7th August this year. A member of parliament madwa claim no heraila kakajo moko wacho ni geroela. They should now have moved a motion in parliament. Mondo petition the speaker to resummon the house. Mondo wajine jogi ne kutiyo tich maber and they should not be paid any money until when we are satisfied. Okwado gik moko makinki no jibro ywaka na okwalo. You see this thing I'm not thinking the register, the interrogation of register has been done in a more proper way. When people are still saying there is a mix-up, and even they are not telling us one thing.
Double registration.
Leave alone even that. Nitie submissions which we are not aware. Nitie jomatho my chief register korogorikocha.
Chief register.
Yes, akakorogi biro to the register of persons. Iwinja. Nitie jomatho yosoptal. Iwinja. Nitie jomabende buro beno matuo at the time ibro they go kora they will be in a coma. There has to be a rule. Mawacho no kochopo tarik kata ngwen. Nyaka kawa another roll call in all hospitals in this country. Mondo nenga ma is admitted. Makoro knyalo go kora mondo gino gibed ruled out. Ngechene raka kwa nwango the name to anwang the number.
Yes.
Wikipande gi. Mondo gini gibed struck out. Magia kura mibro winjo ngata nendo ayo subta neno tuo to kogo kora to goyo. These are the things people should be clear about if we really want to move on as a country. Yes.
Kono mindi en gimanyaka te.
Kae jowa gigin joma beyo to kine ka jo osomer gin given game of numbers and bwana ne Jeff Kenya ka asone no rallies ne ane no rally majara mogi ka ponke bera moano wako nono kendo ke dhi tino akarali no kaine mbakasi do pongo wako nono kidonyo madari to pong makoro kinyalo wacho kara ngama diga kibira chai ngama diga ebakasi te madega madari karali. So these things to me doesn't work to me. Yeah, it doesn't work to me. I can tell you. I've even seen certain rallies where Moko and Nairobi to the Machakos. What is the added value? What do you realistic? You anyone is on an Okakai watch no you mogo you blimo koneno the Eldoret and now they lack fare to come back. If you are going to work without those numbers, then we are wrong. Even this exercise is flawed already. But you see me, my concern about Ugunja. Yes, I would only wish ni Jacomo go open up for bigger expertise reasoning. Mondokeli ji manyalo reason on board. Yeah. Ingeni my chalopera supporter is great. Namago mpira is great. ati ngama bende go koko na ngani otimo marach bende is great. To ka wadwa na kete voices moko gin jok ma they are non issues, then fine. One tier.
Ero kamano Unyagera. Obro kaw yu batema kai twaduge thulo mar ariyo no bendo bro rango achiel kachiel weche mag ng'anyo mag lecturers obro rango weche mag chung mag independent candidates kachiel kod weche go mag luoko register ma bende ilog bende ne oyuak ni gineno ka IBC pok otimo tich maber. Tiere oganda manyingi poni tiere jok monde gire yo nitie jok mosetho manyingi bende ongo rango ne to magieki inyalo timgi nade to sa bende nitie chung mar obila yiero mabiro bende odwaro maduogo ma en diem Kuku. Intie jara mane lwetiwo chako dwoge thuolo mar ariyo ma indien Kuku mar Wach kod an Oloo Mbaka chaka Wach studio.
Erokamano.
Moso ganda.
Moso jokanyana kendo na misauru an Tom W.O.Nduku achung Ugunja.
Erokamano nya Tom kendo Wach studio kendo ang'eni chung Ugunja kaka independent candidate. Nyisone to kaka in achiel kuom candidates ma bende dhi debe dwe mar aboro. Inyalo pa iwacho ni IBC sanire king'iyo ikruok margi bende ikore maber mar tayo yiero.
No, IBC ingeni gima chando jo Kenya sani and the presidential election. To anawon kaka nene
moko gitok chende.
No, machando wae in presidential election. The court also tema maber mondo kitigini thuolo.
Yes.
To IBC chalman go problem if they don't want to say. And my view any kaidwa kony gini.
Yes.
Maana nyalo request jakom. ODM katana joa ma ohero jakom nitie jo mang'eny man girieko mopogore and who can still offer services. 1 month mondo ni kada 15 days oro mondo geo nominate other team players manyalo konyo IBC mondo rang nyinge ma appear twice kata registration purposes more through the administration level mag joma notho registrar persons department mondo gigo bed married mondo ne adhere the actual population. Onego winjre kanjo jela ma there is no record ma wacho kanjo jela ma not better recruited we are not being told that. I've been saying here the disciplined forces when they knock out Kora. Some of them are going to be used on the very day to go and be peacekeepers in various parts of the country. At what time are they going to vote? We must make a decision. Magigik mananyalo kwa Nejakom should reason about, and I'm glad Jakom also belokawacho. The only thing that the government must now do, let them also appear above board. Okwado IBC maka Jakom uwoyo torach. Toka President Uhuru uwoyo to gikmoka normal. Let them be a bit free. At the end of the day, there must be somebody who will win an election. And gikmanya lokonyo wakai we should have a progression. In America, they have about the respect for the rule of law. You are okay. You may have a difference in terms of on opinion karakakanga to the president, but they have a time frame. My determination has to be made. So you will also be knowing, okay, a determination has been made. I won this election. My competitor actually did not make it. I didn't make it in a more proper way. Consideration may be out of your own heart, Bush government. You see, we are still a young democracy. We are still a young democracy.
Nanoka ubila Nairobi kaindi ka hotel negi kod jaten gimano jafeth kume negi golo kunde moko magiwacho ne nyalo bedo hotspots ne samoro koko nyalo betie un kaka jo siasa ang'o munyalo nyiso oganda waka oganda di yiero mondo mi weche mag tulo kik bedi
hotspot engana provocation. You see, like I believe Niching election day,
yes.
Talk police okonigotigo, any government vehicle okonigotigo. Yeah.
Because
it is perceived negating akora mais flout. Yeah. If IBC has been given vote for the money, let them hire motor vehicles. To kick bedroom to come out serikali mogo number plate. To get number plate ma private. Obedum to come gigyo bedela plane right. Ninyo account to je follow maneno bid emowin and wami teach. Ibinja. Magi gik ma ko team overboard. It will come out nicely. To bende ki come to catch more from one region. Getting this a secret they want to keep. Or come to evenly. Because I believe in this country.
Yes.
Trade magumtokni are everywhere. Kidika pinjo luo ntiejo magumtokni. Kidika jolango ntiejo magumtokni. Kidika kisi they are the majority. Kibiri pinjo kuyu they are there. Give your team above board. Then there will be nothing. Gimakelo gigin suspicion. And in the way majowa bende actable. Yeah.
Koro jowa gitinyalo nyiso nango. Keti gina jopiny ma wuoyo godo.
No, jowa ma jopiny overreact kama naka police mudiro. You know, let me tell you, at the end of the day, Joma provoke a situation in the security agents. They don't reason. Why is it that the JSU officer between a disputed election between Raila Kibaki, 90-year JSU officer who was in Madare, who could go and talk to the people who are on this side and talk to the people who are on this side. And people never fought. It's about how you handle the situation. Yes, man not kanyal wacho ni manene kaka police we gemo improve jo magitero tulito ko kagitero jo ma think goganda gi shauri yao kagitero jo mar think
kunya bier waseno kani tire bende jo siasa mabende ywak ne samoro bila inyalo tigore yo marach mano kan kaiseri ne wacho ni obila oko yene gi kao kan mora ne gini ndoko na chiel gineno wiri gi chungne oganda. It is unfortunate the minister mar interior also chung as a minister. I think he's more of Jalwen than the police. He is not reasoning with the office. There are a lot of developments which have happened there. That does not qualify the current the current CS, the person who is in charge. I think there are anybody who succeed in power. There must be a change of this man. Double speak. He looks not to have learned what he's doing. I respect him and Ngamanora is both the Bobedo in very senior position in army and whatever. But those ones is not something that we want to go back. Probably how he rose could be Kenya or during those days was who was at the top. So we don't want to go in that. I think if you look at even the way Boynet is reasoning, as a senior police officer, he looks more mature. Guineana paroni any choices mar the president Modonjo. Komcha sani kirange nganene is not Kenya sani okinyal force one. We are okinyal tiga boko.
Okinyal kadibena ne rongo. Because everybody is subject to the law. Kore nko doge deal giji gikmanejo ae. And okiani no face on this country when it was too hot. Molo kapo ne kadane no konya be the ministry no. Yeah, people know nga wako kan and other ministers one. Mabene neger maloy and people still faced it. Bulgik maneji duwalo jino yodo. Koro magegi are just hot there. Mago chalpimo walo mok nyalo wangodlo. To me, I would tell you that. Samajo pin duwalo change, it will come. Mago chalpimo walo mok nyalo wangodlo. Ngenu pikara kichwako ba wale, it can only condense. Koso walo bo gig to udu nedwa. Kati media na match. Magi gig chal minister masana.
Pero kama nya wuri nyagea. Angeo ni ichung independent candidate. Manyiso ni ionge nasa Jubilee bend ionge.
Okuna onge nasa ta onge but abro watching you through Amondo and Raila Kora. Nasa ta onge. I don't want to be somewhere where Raila has already said
nasa ionge.
And I have respect for Raila. One okana respect and presidents mo ipinyulu. I respect Raila nen ngama wanyiyo go and ngama luore go. He identified me when I was very young in the political participation. We respect one another. I would wish him well to become the president of this country. That's why I would
Uganda ma Ugunja ni tire Uganda matoto. Okay, not bura matin. Ni tire jima bende samoro kaka unjo telo machungi alo kwa uparo. Nito miwa uruler nito wache mkanye. Jubilee gole manifesto, NASA gole manifesto. Manyiso ni magigi kumagiro ni mrogi temne jote.
To me, I'm not Okan for these manifestos. To me, I'm more what the law has provided. Gikmane the law or Duaromondo, coupled with one pre-independence time. What take there, what take for, wa ket chief pok wa chief to me magi gina na gik moko makosongo koro medo ni gini magi gimana nyalo morgo en about now like wabedi go pricing my goods yo makare but modern git I don't want to talk about because when we talk about education I grew in Nairobi here and anyalo paro the systems were very good when a new estate was being brought up. Yes. City council ne gero school gero social hall gero everything so a nearby population mar pupils masomo in the new estate emebro kaw gibedo sampled tikaw gito gidhi chako school cha and they could even start it up to standard 4 then it grows slowly. Today you can ask yourself nyaka multi-party don't just been a problem in Nairobi here. There is no school my gisogo loss. And that's why you see people tend to think a lot of there's a lot of corruption in Nairobi.
Erokone nyabunya gel maki dhiwe te max school no sani lecturers ocha kodoke streets. Nyithindo mane mbalariany ok this school.
Ingeni gimatimre ni honesty maonge Kenya. And jowa bende
okwanjwa dier
jowa mane motelo policy makers oginjwa dier jowa ma bende feel ni they should be catered for be oginjwa dier. Let us be looking at how this country is. Iwinja okinyalo dwaro musara malach ka inti dwa ni puonj daka matin kididhi ya skundi moro kamoro. Yeah, let us agree on this thing. If you want to work, then work. Iwinja to kine jowa wadwaro ne and the institution ka to musara bendo demand that one can't happen. Kori no anka moko bugi monobile technology. A lot of things are just being told you research on this. You know, when Jeff, me and you, we have people who have gone to a certain level of schooling. You can't tell me that right now any lecturer moro ochala chala daktari minyalo no anka ine prescribe ngamati you teach meduongen nas iwinjo manike nas ne mach was done mi inge no anka daktari obiro to seje moko lero moro kodonjo kare mana ka yokoro biro. You know, let us be realistic. Wabedu jok moko maneno ne this country yeah ko ingeni gigi warangu Kenya mwakoro wadwaro gadi mani gigi Kenya ni one kind.
Wach ni mogik ne jo Ugunja kaka ngamochung eno wuon independent candidate.
Ana dwaro jo Ugunja go na kura kenda ngeyo no kagi wana kura abiro miyo gigi kumwinjire. They know ne ananwodo Ugunja angeyo kaka Ugunja ne chal angeyo what Ugunja needs. Ka donjo gibro bedo go money market gibro bedo ga a 24-hour market. They'll have good schooling. We are going to improve academic standard through. We'll have our institutions and all infrastructures working. I may not do all at the same time, but I'll leave a process which anybody who comes after me. I want to bring in a position where legacy kaka Abraham Nalcom Guinea, Obama Guinea, people who now wants to live beyond their time.
Erokamana nyabunya gel wakwayo ni ayo maber karabu kelo TV. Abacha kwa rakendo Manuel Kuku Wach kanene wan kod Tom W.O.Nduku machungo Ugunja constituency kaka independent candidate. Ritu masani ya Oloo Mbaka.